Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You might notice we're in a different background, we moved ours now. So I'm going to be unboxing the Revolution Ultimate Glamour Collection Advent Calendar. It's got the sleeve off the centre with this. And then we open it. We have these drawers. And we'll start off with the first one. First up, we've got Revolution Ultimate Fixing Spray. Now things are jumping out at me. Okay, why have such a big box, such little product? This is the eye base. Now we have a mascara. Quite a nice thick one. Right, we've got a couple of lipsticks here. We've got this brown shade. And then we've got this nude brown shade. And in the next box we have these are brushes. We have a nice fluffy one here. A nice blending brush. And we've got a bit of a smaller blending brush. And then we've got an angled brush. This next one we've got some lip glosses. I'm only going to keep the glitter one for myself. The other two can go to a friend. Next we've got, let's have a look. Got an eyeshadow palette. This called So Bothered. I think they're all shimmer shades. This looks like another one. Unless it's a face one. No, I was right, it is another one. This one's called Underrated. I've only got one shimmer in this one, that's the bottom left. The rest are matte. And the next one we've got a bronzer and contour palette. And then next we've got another eyeshadow palette, got a big one. This is a Reloaded Ultimate. Got a few mattes and a few shimmers. Then we'll have another. This one's called the Reloaded Glorified. Again, a nice mixture of mattes and shimmers. And finally, we have a blush and highlighter palette. If I'm correct, the top row is highlights and the bottom row is blush. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Bye bye my beauties.